So na sila basketballan rin guys. Tapos na sila kuhan chessboard. So guys, surely muna kami guys.
Hey.
Let's go. Let's go. Urban Gaming. Hey. Victor Guide. Shout out. Dito na yung service guys. Punta kami na guys, punta lang kami ng Simas Club, Simas Clubbing Gaming lang kami ngayon. Let's go. Hello. Hey, dito na kami guys. Durban Seafarers Mission.
Licensed by the Covenant Economic Regulator. No
Seafarers Mission Durban. Hello.
First crew?
Ito kami ngayon guys sa guys, Simas Club.
Yes.
Welcome to Durban.
How many minutes, sir, the city from here? Around 20 minutes.
Sorry sa mga guys dire sa palibot sa Seafarers Missions Simas Club kung tawagin. So na sila basketballan rin guys. Hey. Mao na ilang view rin guys. Tapos na sila kuhan chessboard. Let's go. Chessboard. Dako kag area diri guys oh. Grabe. Grabe areas. Victor Guide Gaming. Let's go. So dito you guys oh mga veterans na mga seaman. Maglagay din tayo dito. First time natin dito. Wala ko picture eh. Picture tayo maya. So guys, kanta muna kami yan guys ha.
Remote ko.
Dugo nakabook.
Pwede.
Okay. 1,
1, 2, 3.
go. Yeah.
Pwede mo isang hits.
I found the love.
Next month.
So guys, so muna kami guys. Let's go. See you next vlog.